All right, let's just do a quick little practice on finding molar mass and then using that to either convert mass to moles or moles to mass. So let's pick 1, 2, 3. Let's pick 3. No, 2. Let's go 2. Sorry. So we'll do question number 2. So it first says find the molar mass. So I need to find the formula for lead nitrate. So Pb, this says it's a 2 plus, and nitrate from the chart is a minus. So to balance those charges, I need to have 2 of those. Now it's balanced. Okay. Now to find the molar mass, I need to count all those up. So to add them up, I need to find out lead. Let's do that. So lead, I have 1 of those, and it weighs in at, whoops, where's lead? Right there. 207.2. 207.2. So you multiply that, of course, you get 27.2. And then you have 2 nitrogens. So nitrogen, I have 2 times nitrogen 1401. So that gives me 28.02. And then oxygens, I get 6 of them. So 6 times oxygen is 16 even. Multiply, that gives me 96. Okay, so now, get rid of this stuff. Oh no, I'm gonna get rid of all of that. Okay, add those together, I get a 2, 15, 21, 2, 13, 1, 3. 331.22. So that is my total. So that's grams per mole. Sometimes I put a little slash like that, but I like writing it like that. 331.22 grams per mole molar mass. Got it. Now they say find the following masses. So they say or convert the following masses into moles. So they give me that mass. It's grams, so I know that's a mass. And they want to convert it into moles. Now I use lead nitrate because I use lead nitrate up there. So my 2 formulas that I can use are moles is equal to mass over molar mass. And I'll use that for these questions. Or down here, I'll use a variation of that, which is just mass is equal to moles times molar mass. On a test, I give you this formula, and I assume that you can rework that one to get this second one. So I don't give you the second one, but I'll give you the first one. So in this question, I have a mass, so I know that. I just figured out the molar mass. I have that. So I can divide those two to find moles. So here's my formula. Moles is equal to mass over molar mass. The mass is 1.67 grams divided by the molar mass is 331.22 grams. Now notice the per mole, instead of putting it down there, I'm going to put it over this line because that line is like per 2. So the grams cancel, I wind up with moles, so that's good. Okay, so now let's do that calculation. 167, uh-oh, I don't know if this will work. 1, 1, 6, 7, point, oh, darn, 1.67. Divided by 331.22. So I come up with 0.0050427 moles. Now we want to round that to significant figures. Let me see if I can move that out of the way. So significant figures, I have 1, 2, 3 sig figs here, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. You always go to the weakest link, so 3. So zeros up front don't count, so this counts, this counts, this counts. And I have to look at this, if it's more than 5, I bump this one up to a 5. I bump it up one. It's not, so I'll leave it there. So I'll rewrite this as 0.00504 moles. That'll be my answer for that one. Okay, so that's question 5. Let's do one more. Let's do question 8. So question 8, it says, oh, I have to convert moles now back into mass. So this is my formula that I'm going to use. This guy right there. So I can show you how to manipulate that. So this is the first formula. And if I want to calculate mass, that's what I'm looking for, I have to get rid of this molar mass. So mathematically, I can multiply this side by molar mass. That'll cancel. But if I multiply the right side by molar mass, I have to multiply the left side by molar mass too. So mass then is equal to molar mass times moles. But typically, I write it with the mass first. So mass is equal to moles times molar mass. It's important you get the right one, because if you divide when you should multiply, bad things happen. Okay, so moles, they give me this number right there. So 0.327 moles from the question, multiplied by the molar mass of lead 2 nitrate, which I have from up above there, right? There it is right there. So multiplied by 331.22 grams per mole. Moles cancel. Now I just do this on my calculator. Whoops. Okay, so, oh, I can't see my numbers. 0.327 times 331.22. So 108 point, let me write that down. 108.3894. Okay, in my question, 1, 2, 3 sig figs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sig figs, weakest link, so 3 sig figs. Here's 1, 2, 3, so I don't need to write any others. If this had been more than 5 or more, I would have bumped the 8 up. But since it's not, my answer is just be 108 grams. All right, hopefully that helps you with those 3 questions. If you have any troubles or other questions, give me a call.